Hi, my name is Yang Keat, and I'm a final year Industrial Systems and Engineering student, and today I'll be sharing more about my experiences in ISE. ISE has given me a really interesting experience in university. It's given me a lot of more versatile opportunities. So there's a very interdisciplinary curriculum. It has many courses on engineering statistics, modeling, to project management, and to even financial modeling. It can even help you get different minors and second majors in statistics, economics, computer science, and many more. There are also many versatile job opportunities available. I have many peers of mine going to do industrial engineering jobs in the semiconductor industry, or maybe even in banking operations to learn more about how a bank works. Some even go to do software engineering roles, some even consultants, and some to do data analyst roles. The opportunities are truly endless with the industrial systems and engineering degree. And lastly, we will have a system design project that all ISE students will do at the end of their tenure in ISE. So this is a really unique project to work directly with a company of their choosing. So it's an opportunity to do real-world work with your fellow industrial engineers. I, for one, have a project with GIC where we are trying to map carbon intensity emissions across many different companies. So I have many different internship experiences. My first one was a project management intern at Universe. So this is more of a maritime company where I kind of utilized what I learned in industrial systems engineering, especially in terms of their project management and business intelligence. The next was my RPA developer intern at HP, where I utilized what I learned in those computer science mods in ISE, predominantly on Python. Right after that, I decided to go on a more business route, and I decided to change gears completely. So I went to MUFG Bank, which is one of the largest banks in Japan, where I did regional operations planning for about 6 months. This was my compulsory internship, and it was truly an eye-opening experience that led me to choose what I wanted to do in the future. Right? And my last internship was a consulting intern at Kaizen Institute. So they actually headhunted me to be a consultant at that company, and this was really focused on more lean, more Kaizen types of methodologies in terms of consulting. And it was really an eye-opening experience also, as it allowed me to dive more into all the different industries that consulting is used to. Lastly, one thing I want to share about is my student exchange program in Pennsylvania State University. I really had one of the best experiences of my life there. It was my first time going to the States and first time going out of the country without my parents, so it was a really interesting experience. One thing was that I really made a lot of lifelong friends there from different countries. Like some are from Kazakhstan, some are from Morocco, Japan, even the States, in UK, Australia. And up to this day, we still keep in contact on our Telegram group chat. So whenever they come over to Singapore to visit, or when we go over to their countries to visit, we'll definitely make it a point to meet each other, right? And the next thing about going on exchange is obviously traveling. I went to Canada, went to Banff National Park, which had one of the most crazy views in my life. Then I went over to travel around the east coast of the United States, went to Boston, New York, and really it was such an eye-opening experience. Right, the next thing was to cross some things off my bucket list. I'm a basketball fan, so I watched a few NBA games there. Went to watch a football game which had about 130,000 people in the audience. So that was really a crazy experience as well. So I would say definitely going on exchange was one of the, if not the most memorable experience in my university life. To find out more about ISE, scan the first QR code. And to find out more about other courses in CDE, scan the second QR code. Thank you.